I made this little bee here. I thought it would be fun to share the pattern. This is a great beginner project if you are newer to crochet. We're gonna be practicing some basic stitches, color changes, stuffing. It's gonna be super fun. I'll be using US terms and I'll have the materials listed out next for you. Let's go ahead and get started. For the materials, grab some acrylic yarn, scissors, 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, safety eyes, 8mm, stitch markers, and some stuffing. First, take the yellow yarn and your hook. We're going to start by making a magic circle. To make a magic circle, wrap the working end of the yarn around your fingers. Cross over the tail end. Insert the hook under the yarn closest to your fingertips, then pull the yarn closest to your knuckles through. Turn your hook. Hook the yarn closest to your knuckles, pull through. Take your fingers out. Yarn over and pull through. Untangle the tail. Now, when you pull the tail, it will cinch closed. Next, single crochet 6 stitches into the magic circle. To single crochet, insert your hook into the magic circle. Pull a loop through. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. This is 1 single crochet stitch. I'll show one more here, so make 6 in total. Then pull the tail to cinch closed. For round 2, we'll single crochet increase. This is 2 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. You should end with 12 stitches. For round 3, single crochet in 1 stitch, then increase in the next. Repeat this around and you'll end with 18 stitches. Now let's work on round 4. Grab your black yarn and we'll color change. I like to go right in with the new color by inserting my hook into the stitch and just pulling the new color through and working it as a single crochet. Sometimes the yarn gets loose, so you can add some tension by pulling the tails. We're going to single crochet. You can work the tail into the first few stitches to secure them like this. Put the safety eyes between rounds 2 and 3. Make sure you're reading the directions for your safety eyes so they're properly secured. Cutting the black so we can color change back to yellow. So I'm just pulling the yellow through and working it into a single crochet stitch. Then single crochet. Let's color change to black. So I'll just pull it through and work it like a single crochet. Now we'll single crochet. Let's color change back to yellow by working it as a single crochet. Remember to secure the tails for a few stitches and we'll single crochet. We'll single crochet an invisible decrease in every other stitch. So here's the single crochet. Then for the invisible decrease, insert your hook into the front loops only in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull the loop through the front loops on your hook. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both of the loops on your hook. I'll show it again, a single crochet, then an invisible decrease. By the end of round 12, you should have 12 stitches. Now let's fasten off. To fasten off, slip stitch by inserting your hook into the last stitch. Pull a loop through and bring it straight through the loop on your hook. Then chain 1 by yarning over and pulling through the loop on your hook. Cut here and let's stuff it. Pull your stuffing apart and fill it gradually. I'll finish the rest off camera. Last color change, grab black and attach where we originally fastened off. To attach, just pull the black yarn through and bring the working end of your yarn through the loop on your hook. Tie the tails together to secure a little extra, then invisible decrease for round 12. Insert your hook into the front loops only in the next 2 stitches, yarn over and pull the loop through the front loops on your hook. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. This should bring us down to 6 stitches. Fasten off with a slip stitch and chain 1. Cut leaving a few inches. Add some more stuffing. It usually comes with a stick. You can use it to push the stuffing into the bee. Now take the yarn needle and tail and we'll cinch it closed. Weave the tail in and out of the 6 stitches. So repeat this around. Now when you pull the tail, it should cinch closed. Secure the top with a double knot. Then weave the tail in and trim the extra. Let's finish the wings and then we're done. Grab your hook and white yarn, make a magic circle. Single crochet 6 stitches into that magic circle. I'll show a couple here. Cinch close. For round 2, we'll work stitch by stitch, half double crochet in the first stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, pull a loop through. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull that loop through all 3 loops on your hook. In the next stitch, put 3 double crochet stitches into 1. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Pull a loop through. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. Repeat this 2 more times in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll do another half double crochet. Then, in the same stitch where we just put a half double crochet, slip stitch. And chain 1. half double crochet into the next stitch. Then 3 double crochet stitches into one. A half double crochet in the last stitch. Then fasten off in the same stitch with a slip stitch and chain 1. Cut leaving a few inches for the tail. We can trim this off. Then we'll attach the tail down the middle here. Use a yarn needle, then fold it in half. I like to have the wrong sides facing together. Secure the fold by weaving your tail through. Now we can place it on our bee. I like to put it on top because you can see the color changes at the bottom. Position it like this and sew it on by running the tail through the wings and the stitches on your bee. This was kind of hard to show, but I'll do my best. Secure it with a double knot and weave in the end. Then trim the tail and we are done. That is it for this pattern. Stay tuned, because up next are these bad boys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later.